In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and send email newsletter templates with Activecampaign. If you're looking to enhance your email marketing strategy, Activecampaign offers a robust platform that is both intuitive and powerful for any business needs. So let's dive right in and explore how you can streamline your email campaigns efficiently. First off, open your web browser and navigate to Activecampaign's main page. When you reach the website, you'll notice the login button prominently displayed at the top right corner. Go ahead and click that button. This will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your account name. Simply type in your unique account information, as this helps Activecampaign verify your credentials and give you personalized access to your data and settings. Once you have entered your account name, proceed by clicking on the login button. If you've entered everything correctly, you should now be inside your Activecampaign dashboard. The dashboard is your control center, allowing you quick access to your campaigns, contacts, and analytics queues, basically everything you need to manage your marketing efforts. From your dashboard, look for the section labeled Campaigns. Click on it and you'll be directed to a new page that houses your existing campaigns and allows you to create new ones. The next step involves templates, a crucial element for maintaining brand consistency and saving time in future campaigns. Within the campaign section, you'll find an option called Campaign Templates. Click on this to open a suite of tools tailored for template management. Now that you're in the template section, you have the option to import a template. Click this option. This feature allows you to bring in pre-designed templates that may have been created externally, enabling you to focus on content rather than design. Here you will need to provide the template URL. This is typically a web address pointing to where your template resides, whether on your server, a file sharing service, or provided by a designer. Carefully add this URL into the relevant field. Paying attention to any typos or errors here is important, as these can hinder a successful import. Finally, after adding the template URL, you might notice an option to cancel the import operation. Clicking cancel simply stops the import if you've changed your mind or need to make any further adjustments to the template URL or selection. However, if everything seems correct, proceed with the import. And that wraps it up. You've successfully navigated through uploading and sending email newsletter templates using Activecampaign. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your email templates, ensuring your newsletters are both appealing and consistent across the board. Remember, the visual aspect of your emails is just as crucial as the content. So take your time to explore different design possibilities and leverage templates for a cohesive brand presence. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you take your email marketing to the next level.